bamboo floor production technical process. A. General bamboo floor. Flat pressure, set pressure. 1. Choose a 4-year raw material selection of fresh bamboo to feed and saw, which is non-moth-eaten and has no damage with a diameter of more than 8 cm. Take its lower part, wall thickness about 8 mm, and saw the material according to floor specifications. And saw the material according to floor specifications. 2. Bamboo splitting. Split the bamboo tubes into corresponding specific bamboo strips through bamboo splitting machine, which has a total of 16 groups of cutting tools chosen by the diameter size of the bamboo. 3. Rough splitting. Put the bamboo strips split back into the knife to split again according to the same thickness. The rough planing machine has a weight fixed cutter with 5 to 6 even knife, as well as a side knife to repair strictly. After the milling cutter setting the weight, the upper and lower knives removing the bamboo joints and inner joints. Bamboo strips will be cut thickness profile control. 4. Bleaching and degreasing. The rough planing bamboo strips must go through the bleaching agent, H2O2, for heating and stewing. The bamboo strips should be in the pool of hydrogen peroxide for 40 to 16 minutes stewing. The pool is made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel to make the bamboo strips bleach and degrease fully. 5. Drying tunnel. Put the bamboo strips bleached and degreased into the tunnel-type drying room drying. The tunnel is generally 20 to 25 meters long, a width of 2 meters, and a height of 2.2 meters. 6. Smooth planing machine. Dried bamboo strips need a second cut on all sides to enable them surrounded by flight and form the angle of 60 centigrades. The dried bamboo strips are milled fast from top to bottom, left to right by the smooth planing machine composed of 4-axis high-speed knife shaft, 12,000 rounds per minute. 7. Spreading machine. Put the smooth bamboo strips into the spreading machine to adhesive double-sided, single-sided, so that the glue can evenly spread on the surface of bamboo to be spliced. 8. Hot press. Assemble the gummed strips artificially and then put them into the hot press to heat and pressurize. After 10 minutes of pressure time, remove the pellet board so that the procedure of bamboo flooring blanks is finished. B. Recombinant bamboo flooring. 1. Cut open the bamboo and remove the green and the yellow parts. Delaminate the bamboo slices through weight set delamination machine into 20 mm width, 2000 mm length, 4 to 6 mm thickness bamboo strips. 2. Stew the bamboo strips to bleach and skim, or carbonization treatment, through H2O2 and dry them. 3. Press the dried bamboo strips into 4 to 6 multiply 4 to 6 mm bamboo filaments through the bamboo silk machine. 4. Put the bamboo filaments vertically into the rubber pool, dipping. After the bamboo filaments are soaking fully, pick them up and filter out the unnecessary glue. 5. Put the gummed filaments into the tunnel-type drying room, drying through steam, heating, and exhaust fans. 6. Put the number of dried bamboo filaments as required into conveyor. Send into the mold of pricing machine and surprise into squared massive bamboo material through the 1,800 tons chilling press. 7. The surprised material will be pulled into the tunnel-type automatic solidification room to carry on solidification processing for generally 2 hours as well as the steel die. The curing tunnel heated by steam between 30 to 40 meters in length. 8. Separate the solidified bamboo material from the mold through the automatic stripping machine and preserve in the thermostatic chamber for 20 days. After that, the bamboo material can be extracted through the boring machine streaming. The multi-blade sawing processed into plates, that is bamboo flooring. polish the floor and glue 4 sides, and then carry on the multi-channel paint after the oil assembly line to process the finished floor.